Hey guys, I just turned the camera on because I'm getting ready to go in. I saw an announcement today and I'm going to check it out. So I'm going to go into, nope, not to marketing. I'm going to go into automations and I'm going to create a new automation for a form that I just added on an AI Studio site. All right, so we are going to create a workflow and we're going to call this Move On AI Form. It's AI Studio form. Let's say that. And then I'm going to go down here and click Add New Trigger. Let's see what happens. Form submitted. AI Studio form submitted. There it is, guys. Look at that. Instead of external tracking event, I'm going to just choose AI Studio form submitted. So it basically gets rid of that needing to choose external. I'm going to go AI Studio project is, oh, that's cool. So I got to go see what my project name is. It's We've Moved On Free Webinar. Let's go We've Moved On Free Webinar. Look at that right there. I say if the form is submitted from this page, which I just actually built this page and just a moment ago realized I got a form on it and I didn't have anything connected. So then I remembered that we've got this new thing. So if you have an AI Studio site and you know how we've been setting it up with an external form, no longer. This is the way you do it. So we say save this trigger, and then we can set up the automation the way we normally would. So that's an update. I did see, by the way, another note on this. I'm going to save this and exit. The announcement said, let's go have a look here. The new AI Studio form submitted trigger lets you start workflows when visitors submit connected forms on AI Studio websites. This provides a dedicated way to automate follow-up actions for AI Studio leads, such as sending notifications. AI Studio form submissions will continue to work with the existing external tracking functionality as well. Okay, so that's good. So you don't have to go in and change anything. Add the AI Studio form trigger to the workflow. When the visitor submits a connected AI Studio form, the workflow can start automatically. Add the actions needed. Forms connected before this trigger need to refresh their tracking setup. So I think that's if you're going to use this trigger on an existing AI Studio, you got to go in and you say re-trigger form integration. So, but you don't have to do that. It will work the way it works now. It's just if you want to use the new trigger instead of the external form trigger. I think that's it. Check it out, everybody. Try it and let me know what you find.